Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily update your firmware on the Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So, we're gonna update our system, and how do we do that? We need to go over into the settings. Now we scroll a bit down until we see system updates. Here, we want to go over and click check for updates. And as you guys can see, it is trying to find the latest version and it is checking for it. So for me, everything looks good, but if you do have an update here, instead of got it, you'll have an option to download and install the latest version. And it's very important to install it because some old glitches that may be running from older Androids are not fixed, and we want to make sure that our phone is without any old glitches, because they can destroy our phone and they can make it feel laggy, or simply it won't be usable. Even though it's a new phone, then it won't be usable if there are a lot of glitches on your device. So make sure to keep up with the latest software update, and that's where you guys can easily check it. Of course, you have an update history, so whenever you have a new update, you can simply go over and check what was the update about and when did you install it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.